Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install mods for your Minecraft using Forge. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is launch your Minecraft in the version you want to install the mods for. For me, it's currently the latest version, 1.21.9, and if I haven't launched this version before, if this is the first time I'm running it, I need to do it now, before installing any mods, with a clean setup, no mods, no add-ons. A clean, latest version of Minecraft is needed so that the background files are created, and then we can add the mods later. I'm literally launching Minecraft with a clean setup. As you can see, it's just the regular, latest version, or for you, whichever version you want to install, the one you want to add mods to. And once it's running, I just close it. The point was just to launch it and then close it. And of course, you'll find all the links in the description. As always, we also have a written blog for you, in case someone prefers that. Here you'll find various translations, and right at the bottom in the links section, you'll find different links. One of them is the link to the official Forge website, where you can download Forge. If this video helps you, you can leave a like, comment, or subscribe. I'd really like to grow my subs quickly right now, so that really helps. So, huge thanks. You can also buy me a coffee. The link is in the description, and let's keep going. And let's pause here for a moment to download the installer file. On the left, we have different versions of Minecraft. You choose the one you're interested in. As I said earlier, today I'm interested in the newest one, which is right here. So I just select it. If you want a different one, just click on another version and it will load. But of course, I'm sticking with this one. Now I click here on installer, exactly this icon. Now it takes us to a sub-page like this. We wait 5 seconds, don't click on any ads. In the top right corner, you'll see a red skip button. Click it, only that button on this page. The installation window will open. I'm installing it on my desktop so I have easy access to it. You can also double check to make sure you're actually downloading Forge. Here you have the name. It should say Forge and its version, so you can be sure it's the right file from the official site. Okay, I'm clicking save. I can close this page now. And now we go back to our blog. At the bottom, we've also linked 2 well-known sites where you can download mods. These are probably the biggest sites for this, CurseForge and Modrinth. We've got CurseForge. We've got Modrinth. Today, I'm going to use Modrinth. Here on the left, we have filtering by versions. I'm only interested in this one, so I'll select it to show me mods for that version. And of course, here you also select the loader as Forge, because there are different loaders in Minecraft, and if you want your mods to be installed through Forge, then obviously you choose Forge here. There are also other categories in these filters. You can play around with them if you're interested in something specific, like a particular mod theme. But for me, it doesn't really matter. Okay, from this list I picked one of the mods. It's going to be Backpacks, a pretty classic mod in Minecraft, so I thought we could install that one. And now, a very important tip for you. Always check the mod description. This particular mod has a pretty short description, but often it says here whether the mod requires any other mods to work. Sometimes it happens that we want to install one mod, but it uses other mods to function, so we have to install a second or even a third mod as well, so that's really important. If you only install one of them, it won't work. This mod is simple. It only adds backpacks, so it doesn't require anything else. But check the description to avoid situations where you don't know why the mods aren't working, and it turns out they're just somehow connected to each other. Another situation is that a mod might have conflicts with other mods, or it might not work properly if you add another mod to it when creating a mod pack, so make sure to check if this information is mentioned in the description. You'll avoid a lot of errors, problems, and frustration. Alright, I'm going back to the top and clicking the green download button. Here, I click on Choose Game Version. Of course, we're interested in today's version, so I select Loader. Very important. Make sure to choose Forge here, because that's what we need. I click Download, and save it to the desktop as well. Now we have these 2 files downloaded to our desktop. The first one is the installer, and it has this Java icon here, which looks like a cup of coffee, so that's Java. Minecraft runs on Java, so you need Java to launch your game and your mods. If you don't see this icon here, right-click, select Open With, and choose Java TM. If you don't have that either, it means you don't have Java on your computer, or it's broken, so click on the tutorial in the description. There, I show how to install it or fix it if it's not working. So as you can see, it works for me, so I double-click it. This opens the installer. Of course, I could also right-click and choose Open with Java. It comes down to the same thing, and now I don't need to change anything here. I just click OK. Our Forge is installing. There won't be any errors if you've already launched this version of the game before, because we have the files in the background and Forge can attach itself to those files, which is exactly what it's doing now. So there won't be any problems. We'll see a message in a moment saying it was successful. Alright, we've got it. We have a message saying it was successful, so I click OK. Now let's open our launcher and see that in the bottom left corner, a profile named Forge has been added. Our launcher is starting up and we can see, indeed, here we have the Forge profile. If you don't see it, you can go here to the Installations tab, click New Installation, and add it here by searching for Forge in this field. And we can actually see that for the version I'm interested in, we have Forge here. I can name this installation however I want and add it so it appears on the list. And here we can see, my installation with Forge has indeed been added. I also have the one that was added automatically. The important thing is that you have at least one of these two. Now, click on the folder icon next to either the automatic version or the one you added yourself, and your files will open. The files are opening. Here we have the mods folder. If you don't have it, you can simply create it. Sometimes it might not be there, so you just create it. Mods, there you go. And now, we literally open this folder right here. Okay, I'm going to minimize this a bit. We'll go back to the desktop, just so we can move the mod we downloaded, the backpack mod, into this newly opened folder. It's called Backpacks mod here, and you can also drop in any other mods you want in the pack. Although be careful with this, because if you throw in 20 different mods at once, they can often conflict with each other, so it's usually better to load one mod at a time to avoid that. And now I go back to my launcher, and right here, either on the Forge profile or your custom one you created, you just click play. And just like that, our Minecraft with Forge will launch. As you can see, the loading screen already looks different. We actually have Forge here, and our mods are loading in. And now, once it's launched, in the bottom left corner it says Forge Beta. Well, this version of Minecraft is very new, so for now we have some kind of beta here, but we can see that Forge has simply loaded up. We have the mods tab, we can take a look, our backpacks are there. Let's hope they work. You know how it is with these mods, it can be hit or miss. Actually, I didn't test this mod before the episode, so we'll see how it goes live. If something doesn't work, you just have to wait for a mod update or check if you definitely downloaded the right version of the mod for the right loader, and so on. Looks like it worked, it's all good. Let's try to find those backpacks. I found some info on the mod's website that says we just can't see it in the creative inventory, so we have to craft it. And yeah, these backpacks are actually being crafted here. I see there's some kind of funny bug right now. Well, that's just how it is sometimes when you use the newest mods right after a new Minecraft version comes out. We just have to accept it. I think this mod is an exception, the others should work fine, but you know how it goes. Anyway, that's how installing mods works. We literally got exactly what we wanted. We can open the backpack with the right mouse button, and we can stash something in here. Basically, the mod works, and your other mods will work too thanks to this method. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks, bye.